So there are this kind of questions about law of cosine, which you need to spot a same angle for two different triangles, like this one, angle beta, angle beta. So first you apply the law of cosine in the triangle which all the sides given, you apply it in the missing one, in the other triangle which has a missing side. In here, you need to spot the same angle, which is this one, beta, for small and big triangle. And first you apply it in big triangle which all sides are given, and then you apply it in the small triangle over there to find x, or this one. In this one you can use this corner, also this corner. You have two options in here. So in both of them, first you apply it in big triangle, you find cosine alpha, then you apply in the small triangle you like. So you have wanted me to solve this question. I just wrote an exam question in here for you, which is I'm going to draw the same shape and draw another line over there and change the numbers. So I'm asking find the x. So the same angle in here, let's call that one as alpha. I'm going to apply cosine, law of cosine on this big triangle first, which is 3 plus 7, 10, 5 plus 1, 6. So opposite to angle, which side is there in big triangle? The number of that side, which is 8. You start with 8 squared equals. And in big triangle, the two numbers around the alpha, the two sides around the alpha, 6 and 10. 6 squared plus 10 squared minus 2 times the same two numbers times 6 times 10 times cosine alpha. From here, we will find what cosine alpha is, which is, it's going to be always minus. If I fasten the steps, 6 times 10, 60 times 2, 120. Minus 120 will become plus 120 cosine alpha in this side. And 36 plus 100, 136 minus that 64 will come here as minus 64. So cosine alpha, you will find that their subtraction over 120. 6 minus 4, 2, 13 minus 6, 72. I think we can divide both by 6. Or let's make them half first. Let's make them both half. 36 and 60. Let's make another half. Perhaps I can simplify faster. 18, 30. Now let's divide by 6 now. Divide by 6, 6 times 3, 18, 6 times 5. So cosine alpha is 3 over 5. We found it from big triangle. Now we are going to apply that in the small triangle. So in the small triangle, opposite to alpha, which side do you see? X. And in the small triangle around alpha, the two numbers 3 and 5. 3 squared plus 5 squared and minus 2 times 3 times 5 times cosine alpha. And then x squared is going to be 9 and 25, which is 34. 2 times 3, 6 times 5, 30. 30 times cosine alpha is 3 over 5, which equals 30 over 5. 6, 3 times 6, 18. 34 minus 18, which makes x square root of that number, which makes 18 plus 2, 20, 16. Is it 4? Perhaps 4, if I'm not mistaken.